In Coryell's class.
Good morning, Mr. Pottinger.
We finished adding and subtracting mixed numbers today, and can you add and subtract mixed numbers?
Yes.
Technically, though, do we add and subtract mixed numbers?
No.
Because we convert them to...
Improper fractions.
All right, we know a fraction is improper if the numerator is bigger than the...
Denominator.
And what's that thing or what's that process we use to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction?
Around the world.
Okay, cool. When adding or subtracting mixed numbers, you must convert to improper fractions first. Is that true or false?
Yes.
Duh, it's there because it's true, right? So we have to convert to improper fractions first. All right, so question. Is this a mixed number?
Yes.
Is this a mixed number?
Yes.
Can I add them?
No.
I need to do what process to convert them?
Around the world.
So 2 and 1/2, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, so my new numerator is 5, my denominator stays a... Because the denominator is a 2 up here, right?
Yes.
I did around the world here, and I got 3 over 2. So now I have 5 over 2 plus 3 over 2, yes?
Yes.
Can I add those two fractions together?
Yes.
I must make sure that the denominators are the...
Same.
So what's 5 plus 3?
8.
My denominator stays a 2?
Yes.
Is this an acceptable final answer?
No.
It needs to be converted to a...
Mixed number.
And sometimes it doesn't even work to be a mixed number. It turns into just a whole number because we know that 8 divided by 2 is what?
4.
When you look at a fraction, the fraction bar is always considered a...
Division sign.
So it's really 8 divided by 2, right?
Yes.
Which is 8 divided by 2, right?
Yes.
Okay. Here's another example, another problem you can look at on your own. No answer can ever be an...
Improper fraction.
All right, cool. And another example, you can look at that one on your own. Let's take a look-see at this one. Okay. All right. Mixed number, yes or no?
Yes.
Can you add it together?
No.
What do we do again?
Around the world.
All right, so now we've got 25 over 4, and we've got 19 over 9, right?
Yes.
Can I add those two together?
No.
Why?
Because they don't have the same denominator.
So 4 and 9 have a common multiple of...
36.
So I use my, what's this called again here?
Bubbles.
And I go from, how do I get from 4 to 36?
Times 9.
Times 9? And then I multiply 25 times 9, right?
Yes.
Can I use a calculator for these?
Yes.
How do I get from 9 to 36?
Times 4.
Should I use a calculator to do 19 times 4?
Yes.
Can I use a calculator to add these two numbers together?
Yes.
And I can add them because the denominators are the...
Same.
Is this an acceptable final answer?
No.
What number goes inside the division house? The numerator or the denominator?
Numerator.
Could I use a calculator since it's a 2-digit divisor?
Yes.
You good?